Good morning, y'all. I missed a day. Today, Tuesday, July 1st. Let's see what's sprouting. You can see our tomato plant. Huge. Got some stuff down there in those pots. Finally sprouting out, y'all. See that basil? It's looking good. We got a squash plant down there popping up. That's looking really good. The mint is off the chain. Look at that Thai basil, y'all. And it made a beautiful comeback. Beautiful comeback on the Thai basil. My tomato plant. I got bell pepper. Or hot pepper. Says some hot pepper plants back there. I need to move that pot. I cleared out the salad bowl. I need to plant more seeds for more salad. See my zucchini plant. Got some zucchini buds in there. The bird's been plucking my zucchini. Show y'all up in there, the zucchini plant. Bird's definitely been plucking my zucchini. Down there we got some more squash plants. So we got the chives back here. This pineapple sage. I say I love the smell of this plant, y'all. It smells so good. And then I move the tomato plant. Y'all can see down there in that west side. I move the tomato plant. Then over here, got some, I believe, spinach growing in that pot, y'all. I don't even know what's growing in that pot. I can't even read the sticks no more. Over here is some Swiss chard. Looking good. I see that big piece of deal growing up out the Swiss chard. The carrot box looking good, and I think we got some beans maybe popping out, but definitely got carrots popping out in the box over here. Bell pepper plant looking good. It's an heirloom bell pepper plant, and then I got a squash plant that has popped up, and then I don't know what this is, something else, maybe another bell pepper, something else has popped up right here out of the dirt, y'all. So we got some things sprouting in the garden on this July 1st. We got a lot happening out here on the patio garden, y'all. Y'all can see my whole porch is covered with vegetables. I love to grow inside and outside the home. It's your girl Jack from Zoladon's Fresh Market. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all next Monday. Bye.